Hi, good afternoon. I wanted to come on quickly to talk about some new news. USCIS just announced that it's going to affect anyone who wants to change their status to that of an F-1 student. So previously, when you were changing status to an F-1 student, you had to do what's called bridge the gap. So meaning, let's say you came in on a B2 tourist visa and then you were changing your status to that of an F1 student. While that F1 student visa was pending, which in today's processing times was sometimes upwards of a year, you'd have to figure out a different way to maintain your status. So for example, when you came in with a B2 visa, you were initially given 6 months, which is the way that it usually works. After that 6 months, you needed to extend that tourist visa in order to continue to maintain your status. Sometimes that meant extending your tourist visa 2 up to 3 times while you're waiting on the decision of the F1 visa. So not only was this time consuming, costly, a headache having to constantly worry every 6 months about renewing your B2 extension, but now we're not going to have to worry about that anymore. So this is really big news, really exciting. It's going to make the process for change of status to F1 visa a lot easier, a lot more streamlined. And so this news that USCIS published today is that once your F1 change of status is pending, you can remain here in the United States while it's pending. You can't work and you can't violate the visa and your status in any other way, but you'll be able to remain here in the United States while you're waiting on that decision. So this is a great news, a big win, and I'm happy and excited to see how this plays out.